We are Team Lighthouse. I'm Sharan.
I'm Talista.
I'm Millan.
I'm Junchao.
And today we are going to present to you the Auckland Council Web Analytics Project, sponsored by Auckland Council.
For this year's research and development project, Lighthouse was given the task to create a tool that centralizes all digital reporting in one place, aiming to improve data management and efficiency in the workspace. The tool shall then allow for better understanding of user behavior, improving decision-making, information reporting, data analysis, and the need to consider users when designing new experiences. So now with the project concept and how we developed our idea, I'll briefly talk about the existing system. Auckland Council uses a few tools to collect their user data. These are Google Analytics, Umbraco, Hybris, Site Improve, and Hotjar. The data records are then cleaned and stored within SharePoint, lists, and Excel spreadsheets. With this, there are a few issues that we identified, number one being poor data management. As this kind of data tends to grow rapidly and in large volume, it can be quite challenging to store and manage. There was also an inconsistent use of some feedback tools and no way of prioritizing what needed to be completed first. Many tools also collected similar data but in different formats, making it hard to integrate into our final tool. Additionally, another key issue we found was that there was a lack of data cleaning procedures, as there was no fixed way or process that these were being completed. Instead, they were manually done by the digital analysts. These key reasons led us to propose the need for the AC DAP tool, working to improve the issue with data organization, making it easier to manage. There was a further opportunity to automate data cleaning processes in which our team was open to exploring.
Lighthouse team strongly values the mindset of being highly adaptive, continuous development, change recognition, and the importance of teamwork. For this reason and the given nature of the project, we naturally followed the Agile method, keeping in mind 4 key values. Firstly, individuals and interactions are over processes and tools. Secondly, working software over comprehensive documentation. Thirdly, customer collaboration over contract negotiation. And lastly, responding to change over following a plan. While completing the 5 stages of the project: initiation, planning, executing, controlling, and closing. These values allowed the team to uncover better ways of producing solutions while practicing a clear and measurable timeline that enables continuous development, collaboration, and continuous improvement at every phase.
The initial scope for the project stated that we would have an automated tool. Due to problems that we had with various APIs from the platforms that the Auckland Council were using, we ended up making a manual tool instead. The final solution was a manual tool where a user would open a file through the manual tool. The records in the file will then be saved to a MySQL database and then sent to Power BI to be displayed on dashboard. The changes in the project taught us to be more adaptable to changing situations.
There are 5 difficulties we met during this project. First 4 are non-technical, and the last one is technical. First, COVID-19 caused a large disruption to our project. We had to work at home. The online working caused delays in communication. Second, client communication was the key in the project, as our client was often busy. We decided to use monthly report to show the client what's going on. Third, the client interaction. Due to the COVID-19, we can't satisfy an initial expectation set by the client, as we had lost the opportunity to engage Auckland Council employees. Thus, we are unable to deploy human-centered design. Fourth, time management. Sometimes team members were lack of motivation to complete tasks, so we used Microsoft Planner to develop a project schedule to make sure we can organize well before the due dates. The last one, we struggled to do the automatic input data linkage because of the API. After addressing our issue with the client, we were able to solve this problem by a manually input tool.
In the end, we believe our final product provides a solid foundation for Auckland Council to further develop. This project served as an invaluable experience in which we were able to acquire many new skills as young professionals in the tech industry.